أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم إلى أكاديمية المحبة مجددا. You are welcome to Al Mahabba Academy. In today's episode, we shall be looking at the present perfect continuous slash the present continuous. So the present perfect continuous in Arabic is Al-Madi al-Muttasil bil-Hadir. Al-Madi al-Muttasil bil-Hadir. Where the present continuous is the الحال الاستمراري أو التجددي الحال الاستمراري or الحال التجددي. The الماضي المتصل بالحاضر, which is the present perfect continuous, it shows that an action started in the past and still in progress up till now. That is the present perfect continuous, which is الماضي al-muttasil. It has a relationship with the present. So to form that in Arabic, you have to use the verb ma zala. It's one of the annullars in Arabic language, Arabic verbs. Ma zala plus the form of the al-fi'l al-mudari yaf'alu. You say ma zala yaf'alu. Let's see example of that. We have in English, I have been reading a novel. I have been reading a novel. The subjects, the auxiliary have been, it might also be has been, and the verb reading, the participle of the verb, that is the present and the ing of the verb. So I have been reading a novel. Another one we see, we have been waiting for her. We have been waiting for her, the subject, the verb have been, and the waiting. So in Arabic it translates to ما زلت أقرأ رواية. ما زلت أقرأ رواية. I have been reading a novel. That is, I have started reading, but continuously till the moment I'm speaking, I am still reading. The same thing goes to ما زلنا ننتظرها. ما زلنا ننتظرها. We have been waiting for her. We started waiting for her the past before the communication and up to the moment that I am communicating it. So this is the al-madi al-muttasil bil-hadir, the present perfect continuous. So now why are we bringing it together with the present continuous? Because there might be a mix up. Some might use the al-hal al-istimrari for the al-madi al-muttasil bil-hadir. They are quite different in English language. But in Arabic language, some people might think that you can use the same verb or the same form, whereas there are also differences in it in Arabic language. So now the present continuous, that's why I'm having the same example for the two. So we'll be able to notice the slight difference in the usage of the ma zala yaf'alu and the yaf'alu, which is for al-hal al-istimrari or al-tajaddudi. So the present continuous, which is al-hal al-istimrari or al-tajaddudi. So the form of it is just the simple mudari form, the simple form of the mudari. It gives the meaning of the present continuous. Okay, so example, we have I am reading a novel, because the present continuous shows that an action is actually happening now, it's still happening. So I am reading a novel. I am reading a novel. Here you have the subject I and the auxiliary verb am, and the reading, the verb plus the ing, which is the participle form of the verb. So it's either use am or is or are. So these are the auxiliaries that are used with this present continuous. So I am reading a novel. That is, presently I am reading a novel. We are waiting for her. Presently we are waiting for her. It does not denote that we have started waiting for her even before we speak. Okay, so in Arabic it translates as Ana akra'u riwayatan. Ana akra'u riwayatan. I am reading a novel. And the second one we have Nahnu nantaziruha. Nahnu nantaziruha. We are waiting for her. I hope we can spot the difference between ما زلنا ننتظرها and نحن ننتظرها, and ما زلت أقرأ رواية and أنا أقرأ رواية. I hope we got the message. So we're going to stop today's class here and we'll meet in the next class.